Hi. This nigga was trying the intro, you peep. So yeah. Actually, wait, you wanna post this on your thingy, your spam or main. Hi guys. I hope you're sharp. I don't know if you guys still remember me, né? But yeah, it's your boy Velo. And yeah, this thing is bro. So ish. So basically, I got your rules or go. I'm not ready, man. So waiting on him now, and yeah, I'm about to leave. And yeah, it's our sticks.
Different day today, bras. We tried for this one. At the same time, we borrowed a lot of money from a lot of people. Can't lie. No, but the amount of people, the amount of money we borrowed from people. Shout out to my sisters big time, can't lie. They're the ones that made this happen. Because, you know, when your parents lie to you and somehow plug you, yeah, fuck that. Anyways, different day today. Today, bras, we moving different now. We normally in the stunts culture, but we in the Bruelas Productions 101 culture. We're making our own culture, our own numbers. Huh?
Zara.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, Rojang.
Yes, nigga. Joe. Are Joe. Fam. Joe, man, I said taxi car.
Do, sawa.
Team, I'm more than one
So that's what I'm saying. It might, because you see, he's got the dealership, so things still under his dealership, you see.
under a business.
Under his business. Yeah.
Fuck.
So.
You know, I have a polo that's under someone's business and it's hard getting papers.
No, he has the papers.
It's okay.
No, he has the papers, he can give me his ID copy. He took my ID copy, I don't know for what, so I don't know. What was the reason for it? I don't know.
No swap thing.
Yeah, so then what you need to do is just take mine, because you must know the car's not under dealership, but it's under my name. So you need my ID copy, you get my point.
Hey, for your boy.
What's up, boy?
Do you miss this?
No, boy.
You don't miss it.
I don't miss it.
Oh, you don't.
Come and see if I can get an old t-shirt. Let me just tie it there, bro. Don't you think so?
Nah, I have to take them out just to make my job easier when I'm at home.
You sure?
Yeah, why not? If we can, if we can't, then we'll try it over.
No, because I was gonna just put the t-shirt there, in there, and then tie it, and then that's it, bro.
But to make my life easier, because yours already fucked.
Yeah?
Your CV's a fact, right?
Hmm?
Your CV's a fact, right?
No, why would you say the fact?
Because the booth is not on. Or is it?
No, it is on, bro.
The booth is on, the booth is not on. So I just need to buy a new booth? Or just, yeah, a new booth. So must I lost them?
Maybe, bro. I'll just tie it up here. Put the t-shirt through here.
But
and
won't
then
this
tie
thing
it up.
like rotate when the car moves?
Hey, listen to what I'm saying, bro. We're gonna tie it with the t-shirt, bro. So when the car moves, it's not gonna move.
But it's
How
gonna
move.
spin.
You just take the nuts out.
Regardless of that, right? When this car goes forward, this thing moves. Yes or no?
Yes, it moves, bro.
So when it's tightened here, it's also gonna move.
Yeah, but if it's tightened with a t-shirt, that's not gonna be a big. Why is it so heavy? Ooh.
Boy, this is a clean one, bro. Don't think, online.
I sleep, man.
Maar hoe fiela?
It's sleep.
Hoe fiela? Je kan niet zeggen, maar wat moet je doen? Maar hoe fiela?
Dude, boy. Can't compare this car to dude, boy.
It's gonna be better.
Think so?
We do, eh? We're not doing anything custom. It already came in Jake that. Angry. So everything is nah. We have this stand for a fuel tank. Boy, we have this thing, boy. You see this thing? It's gonna tell you when the bonnet is closing or what. Did you have that come do? Dude didn't even tell you. Like two. You wanna give me one box? Let's put it here.
I just jacked the car up. This nigga say I'm breaking his car.
Ask him where this nigga. Let me escape here. Let me show you. This nigga put it here. That's where he put it. Come on, man. Supposed to learn at the first go, dog. Here, no mistakes, boy. We moving perfect here. The second one, I don't want to say, oh no, I fucked up, dog, boy. He's not fucking up on the second one. Oh, Van Johnny. I doing
But boy, you need a name, boy.
what really has to come?
Bro, this nigga's what?
He has 2 guns, bro. 2.
Did you imagine? 2 guns.
Just 2 guns, bro.
I don't even have a toy gun.
Ask him to give us one. So we carry on his legacy, though. Yeah.
Think he's gonna give us?
Though he won't. But in fact, this is a gun called a Gen 5. Okay?
Though.
Funny people, eh? You have fucking door for it, man.
Where did you see?
Gen 5. How do you go back, man? I'm a cheat. I'm like a pawn.
Oh, lang?
A pawn.
Yeah.
So get one there. I would say, hey, bros, which one is better? Gen 5 or Glock something? But nah, the Gen 5 is currently leading the pistol, what? What's the word?
What's the word?
I don't know what's the word, but yeah. So I also want the Gen 5. Not flop me. Our personalities are not for guns, man. Me and you. Are not for guns. Ask Demon why he has a gun. Ask him. Ask him. Ask him. Ask him. Ask him.
I will ask him.
Ask him why he has a gun. And then ask him why 2. He's coming. Ask him.
So why do you have guns? Why do you have guns? Besides protection. Actually, why do you have 2? Actually, 2.
Nah, besides 2, why do you have a gun? Why do you have a gun? So you've been living here your life. That's why you want one. That's why you want one. That's why you got one. So you're one of those low-key niggas that are like a king, basically.
Basically.
Those low-key niggas that like you can't.
Okay, so what you must do is, I'm gonna give you my ID copy for my details in here, right? I'm gonna give you my address, you for my address in there, right? I signed there already, right? Then whatever shows that from the car, right? I say what it does here, my details again, alright? Does here. We'll go, yeah, all this here. And then here, this guy's business.
Do you think I look?
So basically, yeah, we're done, eh? And that's one, eh? I'm scared. Scared to repeat. Cause today's my first time driving. Ish. But yeah, yeah. It's about to move. We need to find a new name for this one. For this one. We need to find a new name for this one. Because Big Boy engine. Oh, I feel like bro, I need to cook something. Yeah. I believe you will. I believe you will. And yeah, man. Shout out to Sticks one time. Shout out to Sticks one time for not giving up. But you motivate me.
Did you surf that money? Surf it. Or you gave them full?
For your part, bro, for that dust thing, bro.
This nigga.
And then this thing, where's this thing on? This thing I must be running on the
That's what I'm asking myself.
What?
The extra one.
Oh, good.
This thing can't go no okay, please.
No, it's not going to boot, man.
Over the boot.
You know, I didn't check if the match.
How we can check?
Nah.
So this guy that this guy was one of the guys that boosted this thing You can tell about boost night.
Boost night.
That guy tell me boost night. That's him. We raise him called. I said he don't us. He don't us.
Yes. Big boss. Big boss. We buying a big boss here. Big boss.
You have to drive slow, bro. Race here too, bro.
Wow, wait. Steve Sasa. This here, man. I'll see you. Bisa boleh isu ya. We bump me, dog. He can't bump me, no. Like he literally bumped my mom's car, bro. But it's not bad, I just like, mwah. Check. When I'm fun noting this, no we are down, bro. No sense I down, man. What's that talking about? Oh no, you know we are cool. See no, sama cool long sa ta jo. Ai, fan bo ka wash ane. Ka wash, mo fan, ma tswa itu, fan ka wash.
Sure.
Cause we think again, ne. How to one. We have and it's easy to overturn. I think I'm lucky day. So brothers, we passing Dubai. We passing, what's the word? Midrange. Bras, wheels not going straight, bras, wheels not going straight. The man forgets, bra. If he doesn't go straight, I don't go straight. The man can't. Man, bro, go straight, boy, I say believe, boy, like you're making me freak out. Go straight, boy. Stop now, he's speeding. Slow down. Yeah. Boy, this nigga wants to fly like 80. Mind you, his own controls me. Because if wheel comes close to me, I have to floor it. Meaning what? We almost died, bruh. I'm still thinking about my date. That's what I'm thinking about, I can't lie. Wheels not going straight, I swear, bro. And when he doesn't go straight, it latters me. This guy goes right. It lifts up my ass. And I can't be literally controlling the car with the front wheel, bruh. Doesn't make sense. Awesome. Man, I'm freaking out. Anyways, cheers to good music.
Money out in my hand. My mom grinning, she say I got too much time on my hand. The watch delivered right after the permit for the strap, so she eye me different. It's alright, I'm still an angel. I just work in industries with enemies that come with danger. I'ma get my niggas free, it's in between about some paper. A bit of taste in my mouth, but they say this the time to save. I'm sedated, nauseated, anger sated, face elated. I've been underrated. Yeah,
I've been underrated. This ain't nothing new.
like the old man been discovered paper couple.
I ain't heavy.
On myself.
I'm out of joy. Please have a new fan, bro. When you go over bumps, where do you hit?
Gotta get the dengue civil.
A joint fan, bro. It didn't give a fuck about it. He Cody again. Nah, nearly perfect. This thing, wait. Nearly straight. At least we know we broke it.
Hey, but I get down, man, basically.
Yeah.
One of the top of panels going through a lot.
Hey, come on, let's do this okay. Hey, fun. Nagalati, don't put. When I draw so cool, street can. I will like a like why? Apa yang fan jual fan apa yang pun satai 20 wis. Oh, kau saya macam mana?
Enggak eleng.
Oke. Kemana ya? Apa ini jual? Badi itu jual. Nah, ini sudah kebot tuh. Sudah kebot tuh bang. Emang hari keren kan? Saya mau luka kakak. Apa yang mesti mana luka di koko? Ay, funny. Joyce con gole ana ge woni.
Why?
Fresh.
Fresh.
Ana ge woni. Max sai half. Mas half as nesta page. So like. Yeah, guys, easy. Bo. It's easy, papa.
What does it mean?
But the golf la ni bambir to ya.
Go ahead.
Yeah, guys, easy. I'm fan away, I'm fan. I'm sure John, we are pile hen brigge. Kalau ikut kan brigge.
Man.
Di kosan. Aye. Can I park at the reverse, man? Can I park at the reverse, man?
Level less so.
When you level like that?
Like the body must look so.
Yeah, enough for it, man. I know. Like how numbers?
No, Rafaela.
Hey, Mario, where's the copy? Hey, Joey, bumper tata, ne? Hey, Mario, half a sun roof, fine, Joe.
Hey, the demand are Joe.
Are they all like say? Any give you one, flop, you go. Fellow steering wheel, one out. I shot a fella newspaper. Oh, I see a knee, someone. And one, where I got down.
Yeah, Kaji.
It's entry soon. Ah, Joe, I get half a Joe. Hey, you go pay.
I'm going to street so.
Shut away. Away, 10. I go up. Shut. It's hard. Wait, inside. Oh, thumbnail. Yo, thumbnail. Sa, naritin mo. Ma, it's not really titik niya. Parang di niya wow. Di niya wow. Saan mo? Saan? Mga fan. Dahil din.
Shout out to you.
Saan ko iba tapa? Shout out to me. Kakachiyo to lonely ba?
Shout out to you.
Kakachiyo to lonely ba eh? Nakaka-flow ba mo? Vlog yang accident. Walang ka vlog accident. When you're in the middle of it. Oh, yeah. Kasi vlogging, everyone nakanawa sa tawin. Do. Sunroof mo na. Halo sa home.
Ya cuál es esa mujer. Solo con one chaqueta, so can you stop?
Hey, buenas. Here we go. Juin come, dia boleh. Income dia ni gila dah. Bisa lagi. Baby flowers, pull through if you need some. It looks tough on the car, so probably look tough on yours. Let's get them selling baby flowers. I think I'm gonna display them so like to increase the price because I need coins now. Check, and YouTube is not gonna give me what I deserve. But yeah, baby flowers for sale. What else for sale? Never mind. I'm not gonna sell the dash. I wanted to sell the dash. Oh yeah. Let me show you price. Oops. Ezuyo. Ezuyo buti biang kita. Baik green. Green kamu biang jo.
But you mustn't lock that door.
Sad. Ejo. Let's take the papers. Oh, must keep them here, na? Before you mate. I wanna show you brass quick. Yeah.
Funny. But the more you still put your right.
The more what?
The more you still put inside. Make sure you don't lock this door.
I don't lock it. Because if I lock, but I can get in the boot. What it is?
Oh, it's gonna see.
Yeah. Please. Let me show my put it here, man. Oh yeah, the fancy has central lock, which is tough. So, yeah, seats for sale. Just a slide tail here, nah. Slide tail there. Can't lie, I'm like the best, honest bra, you know. Yeah, that's all. I'm just gonna sell seats. Yeah, Joe, just give me a K, bra. Okay, if not a K, we can negotiate, but I'm not gonna go lower than 8 lipa, no lie. So yeah, next upgrade. Man, can't talk about that now. But yeah, seats for sale, but as normal city seats. I think I'm not gonna sell these because I'm gonna keep quarter window. I'm gonna have days where I slant quarter window, full window, quarter window, full window. You check? Cause I'm that guy. I think that's all. Oh, also the hooter works. But yeah, that's it. Just make it look representable. Yeah, that's it. From me to you, to you to me. I call quit. I call I'm out. This was a big one in El Dorado Park. This one was a big boss. Niggas were scared of this one. You're gonna make it the cleanest off. Can't lie. Yeah.